welcome you all back, and today we are going to see how we can check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. But before just going to the implementation, we need to understand what is Armstrong number. So for that, let's see here. Okay, an Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of the cubes of its digit. Okay, so let's say a number is 153. Okay, so the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 5 is 125, the cube of 3 is 27. Okay, so how much it will be? 125 plus 27, 152 plus 1, 153. We are getting the same number, right? So this type of numbers are called Armstrong number. Okay, so let's just go to the implementation and see how we are trying to distinguish whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Okay, so what we are having is we are having a static method and we are passing the number, and let's see what we are doing inside the method. So we are having a variable called sum and we have initialized it to 0. We are having a variable called original number which is of int type, and initializing it to the same as the number. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is the number we are passing and we are running a while loop till the number is not equal to 0. Okay, so once it gets 0, it will loop will end. Okay, and what we are trying to do here is we are having a reminder variable of int type, and what we are trying to assign is number modulus of 10. Okay, so number is 153 and modulus of 10. So what does modulus return is the reminder. So when you divide any number by when you do the modulus of any number by 10, what you will get? You will get the reminder which is the last digit of that number. So what we'll get here is 3. Okay, so let's say sum. Next line, does this sum? Okay, now initially the sum is 0. So what we are doing is sum is equal to sum which is 0 and reminder cross reminder cross reminder. So reminder is 3. So 3 cross 3 cross 3 is 27. So now the value of sum becomes 27. Okay, but this number is still 153. Okay, so now we need to change this number. Okay, because we have already used 3. So what we are doing is we have number 153 divided by 10. So when you divide any number by 10, what you will get is the remaining digit of that number. So 3 will be excluded. So if you are dividing 100 by 10, you will get 10 only, right? So similarly here you will only get 15. So the now the number is 15. Okay, then again we'll repeat this process. 15 modulus of 10 will return 5, and the sum is 27. 27 cross plus 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Okay, so 125 plus 27 is 152. Okay, and now the number is 15. 15 divided by 10, it will return what? It will return 1. Okay, now the number is 1. So number is 1, and again it will go through the loop because we haven't got this condition. Okay, so 1 modulus of 10 will return 1 only. Okay, so 1 cross 1 cross 1 is 1. So 152 plus 1 is 153. Okay, now if you do 1 divided by 10, you will get the number as 0, and now this loop this condition satisfied, and so it will come out of the loop. So this condition is not satisfied and then it is coming out of the loop. Okay, so once it is done, what we are left with the number and the original number. Okay, so original number is 153 and the sum is also 153. So if the original number and the sum is same, then we can say that this number is an Armstrong number. So it is returning true, otherwise it is returning false. So in our condition it is returning true, and once it returns, this method returns true. True is assigned to this value. Okay, this boolean variable, and then we are just printing is 152 Armstrong number true. Okay, so let's just run this program. Okay, so is 153 Armstrong number true? Yeah. Okay, So in order to completely understand the logic and the concepts, let's debug this program. So I put a breakpoint over here and I'll go to the program, right click and debug as Java application. So once you do, it will ask you to open the debug perspective and you will able to see the variables over here and the console over here, and this has stopped at this line and this line is not yet executed. So once I execute this line, it will give us the result, but we need not to execute this line, we need to go inside this line. So we'll go to step into and we'll come in this method, because here we are calling this method. So now we'll initialize the some variable which is of n type. See, once I execute it is initialize, and we can see over here in the variable section. Now again we'll initialize the original number same as number. So the original number is 153. Okay, now we'll have while loop. The number is 153, so this condition is there, so it will come inside the loop. Okay, now let's see what we are doing. Reminder. Okay, so int reminder is 153 modulus of 10, so it should return us 3. Okay, now sum is 0 and reminder is 3, so 3 cross 3 27. Okay, so the sum is 27. Okay, now again number is 153, number divided by 10 it will be 15. Can you see over here? That's 15. Now again we'll go in the loop, we'll check the reminder is 5, the sum is 27 plus 125, which is will be 152, and again number divided by number, it will return 1. Number divided by 10 will return 1. Okay, so you can see number is 1. Again this is okay, so we'll go inside the loop and see. Now the reminder will be 1 modulus of 10 will return 1 only, so reminder is still 1. Okay, now the sum is 152. Now 1 cross 1 cross 1, it will be 1 only, and now number is 1 divided by 10, it will return 0. So if you can see 0. Now this condition doesn't look okay. Okay, I mean this will return false. Okay, so it will not execute this loop, and here we need to check. Now if you see, original number is 153 and sum is also 153, so if these both are same, then we will return true. See, we check this condition, we go here and we return true. Once we return true, it comes back here and true will be assigned to this variable, boolean variable. So if you see, true has assigned. Okay, now we are just printing it. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the concept, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks.